From this video we will know what's new in the new version of Tesla's Color.2 version 37. The main feature we added in the new version is possibility to use object-typed scripts. Let's open script properties and check the new feature. We add object typed and script typed. And possibility to choose execution if you don't use every cycle. In this case, the execution will be the script is called when the text value inside the script will be changed. And when object is created, when object is destroyed, and when object is clicked. Also, for other scripts, we add possibility to change execution on start when general script typed when start application project when you click run, and on stop when you stop, and on click when you click on the screen. And for screen when you open screen, on close, and on click on screen. But let's return to our script typed object and execution type on data change. And let's see the script. When you create the object type script, you can add it in the object you want in scripts collection. You choose your script and add by clicking add and remove by button remove. And when you add this script in the object, you can use keyword this. For example, objects, this object you want to bind to the script, and for example, you want to change visibility of this object, and change to the not visible. But in our case we choose changing text color, and for example you want to change to color. You type color keyword and by dot choose color you want to, for example, light gray. And when text value is true, to change to color value, for example, black. Compile this script and let's check. It's black and now it's gray. Also, we have possibility to, like we said, when create object and when click. For example, when we click, text is bind to the value tag 4. Tag 4 we can change in our pop-up screen. For example, we choose 26, close, and let's click on the object when we bind to this object. Let's see what script we bind. Script 17. Let's see in the script object type, and when objects click on this object this text equal text value tag 4. Also for screen we change, for example, screen click value will be changed to false to true, its screen tag. Let's see how it works. We change and we click on the screen. Value is change, value is change. Return, and also the same for the pop-up. Value is change and value is change. Also in the new version we add possibility to call screen by script command. Let's see, we added in this script. It call on data change. One example, change tag 5 to true. It's called call popup screen 2. When we change to text 6, it's called call screen 1. and let's see how it works. We bind value here, and it call our screen 1, and here we call our pop-up screen, and it change. Also in the new version we had possibility to export import all screens in the project. Export all scripts and import all scripts. When you export all scripts, this extension will be used. All scripts Tesla SCADA project too. I don't know, I don't want to show you, you can check it yourself. That's all. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to ask it by email or in our forum.